Hi there. Thanks for emailing me about the trouble you're having with the footers in the My IT Lab assignments. So just as an example, I've pulled up here, I think this is the Chapter 3 mid-level, where you're right, it deducted points for the footer, and then what it's saying is that it's not detecting the footer. In this example, it says um, in the in the sheet called inventory, the center footer content was not set to the sheet name, and the right footer content was not set to the file name. So I've downloaded your file that was submitted, and we're going to take a look at it here. I'm going to go to, let me see if I can bring this down a little bit. I'm going to go to page layout, print titles, and then from the print titles, when you click that button, you get this page setup box. I'm going to click header footer, and I can see what you're doing is you're adding a header. It's at the top of the page. What you need to do is click custom footer. It needs to be at the bottom of the page. So you're right, you're doing the right things. There's our sheet name and there's our file name. It's just in this particular one, you're adding it to the header and you need to add it to the footer. So make sure it's displaying down here at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and click OK and earn the points for that one. You also asked about sorting by the make field in this. So what I'm showing on the screen is chapter 3, I think. Maybe it's chapter 4. Oh, this is the mid-level. And then you asked about the chapter 4 capstone. You have to be, let me see if I can pull a copy up. You have to be in the fleet inventory sheet. So that's the trick with that one. If I can get this to open. Oh, maybe it might not go because I'm in, there it goes. So when you're working in the chapter 4 capstone, you have to go to the fleet information sheet. That's where the make field sits. All right, email me back if you have any other questions. Good luck.